your home of latest entertainment updates, celebrity news and lifestyle, politics and 247 news updates. Welcome to Mr. Legit Gossiper.
Everybody know their set. Jay, Mama wa ferrari mi mama tell lójú títì. Ìwọ máa lọ pé Range Rover kan pàdé mi àwọn ọmọ yóò ní ilé ẹ̀ka. Àwọn ọmọ yóò ní ilé ẹ̀ka. Everybody know their set, normal. Understand all these people, they cannot believe. Say you be artist wey be say your guy dey collect 7.
Omo guys no be small matter omo. Zinoleesky don come again he don come again Zinoleesky don come again Zinoleesky don come for Seyi Vibez once again. Omo, since last thing actually Seyi Vibez just dey drag. Remember that when Zinoleesky bought that Ferrari, Seyi Vibez said that doesn't belong to him, that one belong to him. Oga say him dey collect 30%, Oga dey collect 70%. Say he no get anyhow wey him go fit buy Ferrari. So Zinoleesky don come again for am. Zinoleesky tell am say na because say he no want to buy Ferrari, na why him dey drag with am say him buy Ferrari. Zinoleesky tell am say make he just dey manage that Range Rover wey him dey drive. Say as he no get money to buy Ferrari, make he just dey drive that Range Rover. He tell am say normally say him suppose know where him belong to. Say he no belong. Person wey dey drive Ferrari and person wey dey drive Range Rover no belong in the same class. Guys, although some people are saying that this shed was targeted at Rover, but I believe this shed was targeted at Seyi Vibez because now Seyi Vibez gets Range Rover. Even though Rover also gets Range Rover, but I believe this was for Seyi Vibez because he and Rover have not had any issue recently. So this is definitely for Seyi Vibez. But guys, gonna tell me what I think. Do you think this belongs to Seyi Vibez or Rover? Tell me in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. As always, your boy Mr. Legit Gossiper. Peace out.
See you dey collect 30. Say na you wan buy Ferrari. Say na you your age mate go buy Ferrari wey you go believe. No, you no go believe. How you wan believe? You know na when you know what time, you no go believe say your age mate dey wey what time. Dey play. They no go find wetin go work for you. Make you sef dey do something make dem dey say no be you get am. Na flex. Make you dey do something make dem dey say no be you get am. Na flex. Don't worry.